Hi, Carrie Draft again, and we're breaking down the warm-up motion of ankle flicker and ankle rocker. We'll put those two together. So ankle flicker, just being a kind of a Charlie Chaplin dance, so you're shifting your weight from side to side, you're coming out, all your weight's on one foot, you're coming out and pointing your toe and back, and I like to add a little dip. So, but if you didn't want to, you could just be out, 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 out. I like to make it a little more fun. So you're dipping it, down, up, and you can add an arm motion in like that. All right, just take the level that works for you. Then the ankle rocker is where we're rocking from side to side. Weight rolls through your heel to your toe and back, and your arms kind of do the running man opposite. So it's heel to toe, heel to toe. You're just kind of rolling through it. Let's get your ankles ready to watch for roots and whatnot on the trail. Other side, same thing. That'll do it for those two.